Forget about the carriage sign that's at the junction. Lots of cars, you bet, even going together to the junction. Hey, look yonder coming, come around that railroad track. Hey, look yonder coming, come around that railroad track. It's the Orange Blossom Special, bringing my baby back. Hey, 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 this is not 38, this is old 97. You must pray this special on and somebody rough road from Pittsburgh to Danville on the line with a 3-mile grade. It was on that grade where he lost his air brakes. See what a job he made. On a grade, 9 miles an hour, his whistle broke you. He was found in the wreck with his hands on the throttle, scalded to death by the steam. Headaches and heartaches, all kind of pain, all part of a railroad train. The sweat and the toil